Now let us know about IP address in detail. Initially go to the settings, go to the IP permissions. This is the IP permit screen. By using this screen only, we can make this website work on the IP address that we have added. Here we can view the IP address details by clicking on the view icon. See, and we can update the IP address details by clicking on the edit icon. See, at final click on the update button. We had successfully updated the IP address. Here we can search the IP address in the search area. See, like this, and we can add IP address by clicking on the add IP. Enter the IP address. At final click on the submit button. See, we had successfully added the IP address. This is the process how we add the IP address.